Making other rockets is very simple. If you also make other rockets at home or at school or in the video yard, please comment and let us know. You should also make other rockets. It is very simple. If you have made any other rockets, please comment and let me know. Making other rockets is very simple. Watch the video till the end and you will understand. Let me know how you like this video by commenting. If you like the video, like and subscribe. My God bless and protect you. You too have made others watcher it is school or it is home or in the field. God bless you.